Equity's growth is a story in itself. Since it was established as a building society in 1984 in a small town in rural Kenya, Equity Bank has grown into the largest financial company by market capitalization in East and Central Africa, an expansion that has had a significant impact on the economic and social transformation of our countries, the region, and our continent. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today not only just because of this building, but also as a symbol of the best that Africa can achieve through working together. Today is a clear reminder and testimony of intra-Africa trade and cooperation. And on my part, I reaffirm the commitment of my administration to drive closer economic and social relations in both the region and across the continent, exemplified by integrated, peaceful, and ambitious societies coming closer together on a united platform of shared values and a common aspiration for growth and prosperity for all. Today, the Republic of Kenya and the Democratic Republic of Congo forge a stronger bond through the merger of Banque Commerciale du Congo and the Equity Bank of Congo. I believe it is a moment of rare regional and continental pride as we witness our local enterprises coming together in the spirit of one Africa, one people. Today, we boldly walk further down the path inspired by our founding fathers who urged the continent, and I want to quote President Kwame Nkrumah, who said, "Unite we must, without necessarily sacrificing our sovereignties. We can forge a political union based on defense, foreign affairs and diplomacy, and a common citizenship. But we must unite in order to achieve the full liberation of our continent," end of quote. Our forefathers fought to secure not only political freedom, but also the economic freedom of our people. The political freedom is secure. Economic liberation is therefore the task of our time. And I note with pride that with the merger of these two institutions, Equity BCDC becomes the second largest commercial bank in the Democratic Republic of Congo and among the leading joint financial investment entities in our region.
It speaks a lot that you go beyond the boundaries to support integration and to support regional trade. We thank you most sincerely, Mr. President, for championing regional integration and African Continental Free Trade Area framework, enabling the private sector to grow regional ambitions. Championing Kenya as a regional financial center, we believe inspires financial sector to become a major exporter of financial services in the region, facilitating trade and integration. We hope the steps Equity and others have taken in becoming regional actors will inspire the private sector to venture out, expand opportunities of the larger markets, while optimizing opportunities for regional integration and trade facilitation platforms such as African Continental Free Trade Area. Equity, Your Excellency, will facilitate the same through trade finance and cross-border payments while financing expansion of opportunities by financing wealth creation initiatives, either in production of goods and services to create employment for our people. Your Excellency, we reaffirm our commitment to uphold the image and blood of our country, Kenya, in the manner we conduct our business professionally and ethically, so as to keep the doors open for others by winning the trust of our host communities. We thank you, Your Excellency, today for being part of us.
Excellency, we succeeded in Kenya because of your government's policy of facilitating private sector. We promise that as we come to DRC, we will carry out our activities as we have done in Kenya, and in so doing, we will strengthen the strong bonds between our two countries. Your Excellency, this afternoon, it is really a great honor to the Equity family, wherever we are in East Africa.